हेलो, नमस्कार सुनीता जी, कैसी हैं आप? हाउ हाउ आर यू डूइंग?
नमस्कार मनीष जी, अच्छा लग रहा है कि आप फिर आए हैं हमारे विमेंस शेड में।
Cool, and lots of badai, shubkamna, and best wishes. Women's Shed. I think I remember when I came the first time when you had started long time back. वो कौन सा साल था?
5 साल हो गए हमें, 5 years. We started at Thor's Hammer 2020 में, जब कोविड की धुआंधार सबको ही बहुत दुखी हो रखा था उससे. At that time we started and we had such a good response that we have continued. We don't even advertise, but we get at least 100 to 150 members every year.
That's so nice of you. And you had won ACT Women of the Year in 2025.
Yes, it was a
Congratulations.
very pleasant surprise. Thank you. I won it for empowering women to, learn a different skill, which is how to manage and maintain their homes. And मैंने तो कभी सोचा भी नहीं था that I was empowering, but that's what people say. जो भी यहाँ आते हैं हमारे यहाँ, and most of them are very professional women who work full time or part time, and they come here on the weekend because they just love working with wood, or they want to learn how to upholster like this chair. And they have learned many skills. People have actually now done work for their sons, and their husbands, if they're not good at it, they don't need to do anything. And the main thing is, what everyone says is that coming here, like those participants at the back, they said, when we asked them what does the women's shed mean to them, they said freedom.
Oh, so
तो कहते हैं कि मतलब हमको एकदम फ्रीडम महसूस होता है यहाँ आके, क्योंकि हम किसी से कुछ पूछते भी नहीं हैं या ये भी नहीं करते हैं कि आप क्यों आना चाहते हो, आप क्यों है. अगर आप जो है अपना एनुअल पे कीजिए and you come here, आपको कुछ भी नहीं आता, even if you know nothing, you learn from scratch, and it's better that you do a course or two, like you do the introduction to hand tools course. That is very useful because that gives you that confidence. And we get many women जो 2-3 साल पहले उन्होंने ड्रिल, ड्राइवर, इलेक्ट्रिक सॉ वगैरह खरीद के रखा हुआ है, लेकिन उसको अंदर रखते हैं बिकॉज करीब 2000 यूट्यूब वीडियो के बाद भी उनको ना कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होता है. सो बाय कमिंग हियर विद इन 2 weeks they become so confident, and what I love is they'll come here knowing nothing, and after 6 months they'll be making very big projects. And as you know,
yes,
they are all doing that. It's a thicknesser. It's one of the machines you can actually get addicted to, and I love the thicknesser. वो लकड़ी उसके अंदर जाती है और इतनी सुंदर होके दूसरी साइड निकलती है कि मजा आ जाता है.
So where you got this inspiration from? Were you handy person by yourself?
So जब मैं इंडिया में भी थी, यहाँ भी, I used to love repairing small things by myself. And then ऑस्ट्रेलिया में फिर जब मैं वहाँ सिडनी में रहती थी, तो I actually did an introduction to power tools course with what I think is Australia's first women's shed. And वहाँ पे जब मैंने उसको ड्रिल, ड्राइवर और इलेक्ट्रिक सॉ ये सब किया, उसके बाद इतना मुझे आनंद आया, and I said all other women should also learn. फिर when I came to Canberra in 2020, मैं किसी को जानती भी नहीं थी इतना. I didn't know, so I started looking for a women's shed, and the men's shed said, sorry, we don't really allow women. And and also if you want to come, you can just watch us. And then I said, no, I actually wanted to learn.
Absolutely.
So that's why then I started the women's shed. और जबकि हमको inspiration men's shed से मिली है, like we got the idea from them, but we run it as something that is suitable for women,
Very nice.
which is that, now we are more of a skills based place where women come here, and they learn these skills informally. So we don't give people certificates, not even fake certificates. We just get people to come, and they enjoy and they learn, and that is they all become so skilled, and some women just have such aptitude. I just look at them and I admire them so much.
Yeah. They walk away with confidence, positivity, and empowerment.
And also connection.
Kya baat.
When they come here, they form these connections with each other. And because these connections are not forced or anything, they form these connections. And people's health actually improves. We have seen that.
Very good.
So I'm hoping that I'll be able to get some good research funding soon to prove it.
और loneliness जो है
वो कम हो
वो
जाता
कम
है.
हो जाती है when you
बहुत कम हो
see
जाता है.
people and working.
हाँ.
तो
और जो
अच्छा,
हर एक का अपना प्रोजेक्ट भी होता है ना, तो दे आर वेरी, और जिनके पास अपना प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है, दे कैन वर्क विद अस एंड आई विल शो यू जो हम जो है हमने जो चीज बोर्ड्स बनाए हैं, पीपल कैन कम एंड हेल्प अस टू मेक दीज.
that's true.
जैसे ये देखिए
Ah, beautiful.
कितना खूबसूरत
Nah,
है.
very nice.
सो यू कैन कम
And this is all
लर्न
made by women.
us. ऑल
क्या
मेड बाय.
बात है.
ये
ये तो
देखिए, ईच पीस इज डिफरेंट. ठीक है.
amazing.
और ये है भी ऑफ कट्स. दीज आर ऑफ कट्स ऑफ टिम्बर. माने ये सब टिम्बर जो है, नहीं तो
फेंक
या
देते.
तो जला देते या फेंक देते, क्योंकि इतने छोटे पीसेस फर्नीचर वगैरह जगहों के लिए ठीक नहीं है ना.
Amazing.
और ये देखिए, ये आखिरी वाला. एंड दीज आर फॉर सेल एज वेल.
और सेल मुझे लगा
These
ऑप्शन
are-
करना चाहिए.
These are for sale. If people want to buy, they can contact us and we will, you
Yeah.
know. So each piece is different because each piece is different कि वो कैसा timber है उस दिन हमारे पास, कैसे हम उसको join कर रहे हैं. Each piece is different.
Amazing.
And
बढ़िया.
and we have many people who work full time, like Ping here.
I can see she's working very hard.
But then she also works with us in, you know.
Yeah,
yeah.
volunteering.
Yeah,
Welcome, Pink. to
Thank you.
Radio
she's our
Campus.
member as well.
I am.
Very nice.
Yes.
Very nice.
Yeah, so she's a great.
Everybody who meets Sunita gets inspired anyway.
I do. Yeah, oh, definitely.
Even I am inspired by her too when I met
Yeah.
her for the first time. Tell us about the new makeover project.
Like a shipping container. So, you know, we have a shipping container here, like.
Yeah.
So, what we are doing is because a lot of women, you know, there are very few women in construction, 2 to 3%
Right.
on the ground. और जो है, especially, I feel that, you know, a lot of women want to learn more about how to build a house or how to create renovate
Or
their
just general
houses.
knowledge.
And skill. So it has two parts. It's mainly aimed at migrant and refugee women. So while they are kind of, you know, getting their language skills up or learning or trying to find a job, if they want, they can come and learn and work on the shipping container, learn the basics of construction and actually build the shipping container, and then they can decide if they want to go for further training in construction, which is a booming sector. It offers very good employability. And as part of that, they will also get to complete a certificate 1 in construction from Master Builders ACT.
That's great.
Yes, so it's a 15-day course. So they do that 15 days, complete it, and after that they work on site with us. So this is a funded project. It's free of cost. Our other workshops, you have to pay for.
Beautiful. Sunita ji, lovely talking to you always. And all the best for your all the projects, not just the shipping container project. And I'm sure more women will join you and get empowered from you.
And I encourage all Indian background women or women from, you know, our
Multicultural.
lovely other multicultural groups to give it a try.
Bilkul.
Come and give it a try. So the criteria is you have to be underemployed or unemployed. You have to have working rights in Australia, no matter what your visa. And you need to be over 18 years of age, up to 55. And you need to be in the Cooma region, local jobs area, which includes, you know, all of your Queanbeyan and outside of some of the areas outside of ACT as well.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you.
लगे रहिए.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. And my name is Anissa. I'm co-founder of Himayat. I'm here in Women Shed because I bring migrant women to register with some project Sunita is doing in Women Shed because it is three project. One is upholstery because some of them is very talented tailor they want to learn, and then one of them is shipping container because some of the women interested to learn how to do their own work and their garage, maybe their backyard. And the other one is also doing something from wood, but I don't know exactly what is that. But yeah, that's why I brought the all the women here today, and then I'm here, and I'm very happy to help migrant and new arrival, especially to connect themselves with community and learn something they like it and interested. Thank you.
Thank you.
Just where the line I wanted it to be, and that's just a little bit extra to work with. So, like, you'll see Trisha's bits. You know how they're all like jagged and a bit different. Like, they're going to yeah. So I won't have like a lot of leeway. Like, it's only like but it's enough to be like. The hardest part of this is the wig. I've got to do two separate parts going through the thickness of it.